In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone to a project on Basecamp. We'll walk through this together from start to finish so you can confidently bring new people into your projects, whether they're coworkers or clients, without worrying about giving them the wrong level of access. First, go to the home screen in your Basecamp account and open the specific project you want to add someone to. Make sure you're in the right project before you move on, because the person you add will only see the projects you explicitly invite them to. Once the project is open, you'll see the usual tools and activity for that workspace. Near the top of the project, look for the area where people's avatars or names appear. Right around there, you should see an option that says something like Set Up People or Add, Remove People. Click that. This is the dedicated area where you can manage who has access to this project. Inside that screen, look for the green button that says Add People and click it. This starts the invitation process. Think of this as opening the door to the project and deciding exactly who you want to let in and what they're allowed to see or do. Next, you'll choose what type of person you're adding and what permissions they should have. Basecamp usually lets you choose between internal team members, like employees or coworkers, and external people, such as clients. For team members, you might give full access so they can see and participate in everything. For stakeholders who only need to stay updated, setting them as followers can be a better fit, since they can watch activity without necessarily managing all the details. For clients, you can limit them to a client view so they only see what you intend to share. Take a moment here to think about what they actually need to do in the project before you pick their access level. Now it's time to actually add the person. If the person is already in your Basecamp account, start typing their name. Basecamp will suggest matching users. Click the correct one so you don't accidentally invite the wrong person. If this is someone new who isn't in your account yet, type in their name and their email address. Basecamp will use that information to send them an invitation to join both your account and this specific project. When you're satisfied with who you've added and the permissions you've chosen, finalize everything by clicking Add or Send Invitations. Basecamp will handle the rest, sending emails to any new people and updating the project's people list. At this point, your new team members or clients can join the project, start collaborating, and see exactly what you've allowed them to access.